Listin Diario presents the editorial from the director.
Editorial for Friday, January 10th, 2025. The law enters the house, it is assumed. The chaotic reality of traffic in our country is not only the result of the constant mockery of lawbreakers. This chaos is also the product of the permissiveness of traffic authorities to enforce the laws. The constant violations of red lights by motorcyclists riding on sidewalks or without protective helmets are illustrative of this disorder. Beyond blaming the offenders exclusively, it is necessary to focus attention on those who have the responsibility of preventing these violations. Traffic officers. It is common to see 2 or 3 officers stationed 100 or 150 meters from an intersection, waiting for someone to commit an infraction to stop them. This reactive method seems to be more oriented to hunt violators than to prevent infractions. If instead the agents were placed at intersections with a deterrent presence, motorcyclists and other drivers would think twice before crossing a red light. Another clear example of this lack of prevention occurs with the prohibition of the use of overpasses by motorcyclists and heavy vehicles. Instead of positioning themselves at the beginning of the overpass to prevent them from entering, the agents usually position themselves at the exit, waiting to catch those who have already crossed it. In addition, the indifference of the agents to other flagrant violations, such as transporting children on motorcycles without any safety measures, is an example of the permissiveness that reigns on the streets. If a motorcyclist can pass in front of an agent with a minor on board without a helmet or protection, what message are we sending about the authority of the law? To change this situation, it is essential that traffic agents be the first to comply and enforce the law. If the agents do not fulfill their duty, we cannot expect the citizens to do so. The law enters at home, it is assumed. For Listin Diario, voice-over and translation by Danny Leon.
Listin Diario presented the editorial from the director.